mutukuya atungata arwaru mwena wa Homa Bay maugite shigana ni shigana na makagomera wira makiuga matikoretwo makiamukira mishara yao uria gufatie kwa ihinda ria mieri eri kirumaniririo.
We cannot do anything without a salary. Nyumba tumehamishwa kwa nyumba, rent zimesitwa sisi kulipa, watoto wako kwa nyumba. Now it is now or what?
Umuthi uri muthenya wa mbere wa mugomo uyu atungata ya arwaru ni moritie governor wa Homa Bay Cyprian Awiti gutithiriria hari gwetha kihonia gia gutura niguo sekta ugima wa mwiri kaunti ya Homa Bay ndigakitharare ni undu wa kwaga utungata murumu.
We ask all our health workers to kindly stay at home, sanitize and keep social distance. Don't come to work until you are paid July. I don't want to talk about June. July salary.
We have been very cooperative. Lakini sasa punda imechoka.
Wagwetererwo ni kuona kana mbu yao ni gwitikwo kuona riu aikari a Homa Bay marakorera maitho gwati wa kwaga motungata makinyaniru morigitani thiini wa thibitari cia muingi kaunti-ini ino angikorwo atungata ya arwaru matigucokereria wira wao matamukirite mishara ya ihinda ria mieri eri mithiru. Wanjiru Meta, Inooro TV.